What's up, guys? Today I'm installing an upper radiator hose on a 2007 BMW 335i. Let's do it. There she is. So yeah, popped off. And whoops, skidding around some parking lots, and yeah, it just popped off and started spraying everywhere. But by the looks of it, someone has already fixed this once before. Like, this must have cracked, and then they just put a regular hose clamp on it to fix it. I just bought a whole new rad hose, so to change this we got to take off pull one clip back there, one clip here, and then one clip down here on the other side of this fitting. It's right there. And also, yeah, unscrew this little guy and pull that off, and should be able to just put the other one on. Should be pretty straightforward. Oh, so I just popped this top one off. I wasn't filming. It's actually pretty tough. Just slowly apply pressure and pop it off. It's gonna be even harder on this bottom one since the frickin' thing it's connected to is plastic. You don't have a good spot to get leverage, really. Wonder if there's a special way to do this. First off, we'll just remove that whole clip. Come on, little buddy. Yeah, it's coming out a little bit. There we go. I feel like this is gonna leak everywhere. Just got the bottom hose off and we're free. Wrong kind of coolant in here, it looks like. Well, Rhine Automotive. A little clip for this one hose. Slide it on and pop the clip down. Only one way to do it. Like, when I say that, I mean we'll only let you put it on one way. There's like a little notch in the plastic, and there's a notch on the thing you're putting it on. We'll let you do it a certain way. Make sure you get it pushed all the way on and clip that down. Bada boom. Just got to put this bottom one on there and this top hose, and we're good. Do that right now. Well, that's it. Upper radiator hose installed. Peace.
Yeah.